red color, blue color, yellow color, brown color, orange color, green color और पिंक कलर। चलिए किड्स लिखना स्टार्ट करते हैं। A for aeroplane, B for banana, B for banana, C for country, C for country, D for doctor, D for doctor, E for elephant, E for elephant, elephant is a hathi, F for flower, F for flower, G for grapes, G for grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, H for honey, H for honey, I for ice, J for jug, K for key, means chabi, L for lion, M for monkey, N for next, eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,